In this video, we're going to take a look at our third example. And so here our function is 3 over x. We're going to find the derivative using the definition of derivative here. Then we're going to find the slope of a tangent line and then write the equation of a tangent line. So let's get to where we have some more space. So our function is 3 over x. We're going to find our derivative using the definition. So f prime of x is equal to the limit as delta x approaches 0. We have our function evaluated at x plus delta x minus the function evaluated at x all over delta x. If we did direct substitution here, we'd get 0 over 0, so that suggests something might cancel, and so we hope something will cancel. So here we get limit delta x approaches to 0. We have 3 over x plus delta x minus 3 over x all over delta x. So it's all being divided by delta x. So since it's all being divided by delta x, we can rewrite that as 1 over delta x. So we'll write this here. It's 1 over delta x times, on top we have 3 over x plus delta x minus 3 over x. So these two fractions we can try to combine by getting a common denominator. So we can multiply the first one by x over x, multiply the second one by x plus delta x over x plus delta x. So they have a common denominator now. So now that they have a common denominator, we can combine the tops and bottom, or combine the top and leave the bottom that common denominator. So we have that 1 over delta x still out front. We have a 3x on top minus 3x minus 3 delta x. And on bottom we have x plus delta x times x. So our 3x's, those are going to cancel quite nicely. Then we have a negative 3 delta x, so that delta x will cancel with the delta x out front. So we're left with negative 3 on top. And if we do direct substitution now, we have negative 3 over x times x. So x plus 0 times x, which is just x squared. So our derivative is negative 3 over x squared. Perfect. And now we want to find the slope of the tangent line at 3, 1. So to find the slope at 3, 1, we're going to evaluate our derivative at the x value of the point. So we're plugging in 3 into the derivative. That's negative 3 over 3 squared. So we have negative 3 over 9. And that reduces to negative 1/3. So that is our slope at the point, the slope of the tangent line at the point. The equation of the tangent line, we can jot this down again in point slope form. Y minus the y value, which is 1, so y minus 1 is equal to the slope, negative 1/3, times x minus the x value, so x minus 3. We could solve that for y if we really want it in slope-intercept form. Solving that for y, we'll get negative 1/3 x plus 2. And that is the equation of our tangent line. Perfect. In the next video, we'll talk about when are things differentiable and when are they not. We will see you there.